Gold and silver both have started the week on a bearish note, and both have now come to the support levels at $23 levels and 2035. Now, can we expect the metals to bounce back from the current levels, or is it still going to trade bearish and go crashing from the current levels? What is going to be our strategy trading silver and gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. In this update, now we will see silver analysis first, followed with gold. Watch till the end, and I will be giving you the trading levels and strategy. Let's start first to look into silver. See silver on the hourly charts. If you follow the charts here, you will find on the this was the drop, and this is still under retracement. Now, even despite under retracement, it is trading broadly in this bullish channel. Now, where is the bottom of the channel? 2280, 2290 zone certainly should be a very good support. And yes, in fact, one can take a sell at 2295 when you see the higher prices. When you see the higher prices below 2295, but then remember 2280 very good support, and then below 2280 is where we can expect more bearishness in silver here. Now look at the hourly charts here. The resistance is seen here at 2320 levels. Yes, these are my favorite levels, and beyond 2320 is where we can look forward to reversal. Now see rise, retracement, and a breakout here can bring the bullishness. Thus we have to be watching more in detail here. Look at the stochastic. This has come to oversold. MACD. Now, interestingly, MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to two. See, on the 2 hour charts, again, the same pattern is being followed consistently. Drop, retracement. And if it reverses from the current levels, if it drops below 2280, we can see a move towards 2250 levels soon. But right now, it is trying to get a little support here. Look at the 2 hour chart, the resistance here. There is a gap down as well. Now, with that gap down, it is continued to trade bearish. Now, only selling entries below 2295. That is very clear. Stochastic oversold. MACD retrace. It is trying to converge. Crossover for sell. RSI flat. On the 3 hour, similar observation, but look at the movement. See, the bullishness getting diminished, and then this bearish move has started. But if you notice what has happened here, it is still yielding higher lows, higher highs here. Where is the bottom? Somewhere here at 2290, 2280. And that is why I say, as long as 2280 levels are respected, even if you have taken a sell entry at 2295, we have to be very cautious and alert. See, first thing is to preserve our capital, and thus only safer entry is below 2280 levels. Thus, as long as 2280 is not taken, you have to be watchful. The stochastic looking down. MACD has retraced. It is trying to converge. Remember, it has not yet crossed over. RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, resistance at 2320 intact with that as resistance. But notice the movement. See, one bullish candle, and these red candles are completely engulfed between this bullish candle. Thus only bearishness. Also, you will find support levels here intact. That we have to be careful as long as 2280 is not taken. Again and again, same observation. Stochastic looking down. MACD is in green, and this is still under retracement. It is not yet crossed over. It is not yet bearish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the daily charts. On the daily charts, look at it is, see, bearish candles, retracement, and if it breaks below now 2280, certainly we are looking forward to 2250, 2260 zone. But also another observation here is, see, if you connect the dots here, you will still find silver yielding higher lows. This suggests that it is still in this bullish channel where you can consistently see. Look at the formation here, what it has done, but also you should take it as the head and shoulders. However, right now it is still yielding uh, this bullish channel. Thus, we have to be careful here on the downside as long as 2280 levels are not taken. Thus, for the day, I will only recommend you to sell only at 2295. Be careful at around 2280, and below 2280. This time we are going to look forward to a major drop towards 2260, 2250, and then below that a sharper sell can be taken. But then we have to be watchful here. On the upside, a buying entry is only recommended if you are seeing silver trading above 2320, which is a greater resistance. Above 2320, I will again look forward to 2350. And see, one must note there is a crossover on the daily charts. Certainly, it's a bearish sign, but prices are still divergent here, so it can try to converge a bit. treat 2350, 2360 on the upside as a greater resistance. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at gold. And before we look into gold, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The 28th batch commences on third week of January. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description, or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com. This platform has much more to offer. Yes, you have economic calendar, you have the advanced charts with the advanced tools, you have the community where you can share your knowledge and get the knowledge from your fellow community traders. And you can also schedule a call with me if you need any consultation, and this consultation is completely free if you're part of my webinar series. And if you just want to trade as per the signals on my signals channel, reach out to me. Coming to gold, likewise gold on the hourly charts, if you eliminate this noise here, you will find gold is been trading in this box. It has to come out of this box, which suggests that 2832 on the downside is going to be a very good support. The stochastic has come to oversold levels, which is also giving a little caution note. But when it traded overbought on the bullish side, nobody questions. So while it trades oversold, we should also be watchful. It can continue. But look at MACD divergent and bearish after retracement. It is again looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour chart. See, this was the first breakout candle. Price has got the resistance here at 2045 48 zone. 4852 is definitely a greater resistance here. Also, it has come to the support here, and then the next support here on the downside is intact. So thus, as long as it trades within the box, we have to be watchful. Stochastic has come to oversold. MACD crossing over here. Remember, first red candle, it can continue. If the second red candle comes with a stronger body, suggests that prices will again try to move to the bottom here. See, drop, retracement, and a crossover here will lead to more bearishness. RSI has come to a bottom as well. Coming to 3 hour, remember on the 3 hour charts, moving average is crossed over here. Prices converge towards the moving average, getting the resistance precisely from the moving average, resuming its downward journey suggests there is bearishness. Also, one must note lower highs, lower lows here. Where are the lows, or where is the bottom of this channel? The bottom of this channel is somewhere at around 2018, or rather, I will include 2014 levels as well. Very strong resistance. On the upside, resistance at 2060 is very strong. So this is a still, I will treat this as a bullish flag formation as well, because if it gives a breakout on the upside above 2060s, treat this as a stronger bullish breakout. Stochastic looking down. MACD after the drop has retraced. It is trying to converge. Remember, it has not yet crossed over. RSI looking down. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, see, right now look at this candle and look at these two candles. This complete movement of these two is engulfed between this candle, and this is suggestive that it is just trying to erase these gains here, and still has come to the support levels. Thus, possibly once you see it staying below 2035, we can expect it to move towards 2028-32. Again, I am emphasizing on this zone. I have emphasized on this zone last week as well. Thus, 2028-32, as long as it respects, we have to be careful. Below 2028 is where little bearishness will be seen. Stochastic looking down. MACD has crossed over again for a sell. And see, after the drop, a minor retracement and it is crossing over for sell. Be watchful. It can continue to diverge. Our RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily. On the daily chart, see bearishness here, swings here, lower highs, higher highs, lower lows, and after closing almost at the entry prices, it is again started to trade bearish. Now see where it is getting the resistance from: the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20 period moving average. Where it is looking forward to, it can continue to trade bearish, and that is why I say, but again, we have to be watchful here. See, this is trying to create this channel. Where is the support? At 2020 levels. It go towards 2020? Yes, it can. Where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 2035, but then be watchful at around 2020 levels, which is definitely a greater support. But before that, yes, it is right now almost 150 pips from the current levels of $15 of move. So yes, if you are selling at 2035, first support levels will be seen at 2028-32. Then the next support levels are going to come first at double bottom, that is 2024-25, and then I will look forward to 2020 levels. Below 2020 is where major bearishness will be seen. And how far? 2014 is the next target. if and only if gold seen trading above below 2014, if today or tomorrow, we can say more bearishness will prevail. On the upside, buy at only buying levels, that is what I will say, is about 2045, beyond which one can look forward to 2048.52 as the first resistance, then 55, and then we are going to look at 2060. If at any point of time gold trades about 2060 and 65 levels, treat this as a bullish reversal, and it is going to rally about 2071 80 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the Mentorship Batch Signals channel or webinar series, and be a part of the free Telegram channel to get the live updates, and visit the platform forexfunda.com. If you want to join the Signals channel, reach out to me via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session update. What that is. Thank you.